Kamusta mga ka-topters? This is your Top It Up rankings. Sharing with you the ultimate top 10 facts all over the world. Here, I promise only the best of the best top list videos. So, if you love learning fun and amazing things, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and of course, click that notification bell so you will never miss our exciting uploads. Alright, let's top it up and dive into today's list, the 10 incredible animal facts you won't believe.
Fact number 1, octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Let's start with something mind-blowing. The octopus is one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. Did you know that it has 3 hearts? 2 of them pump blood through the gills, while the third sends blood through the rest of its body. And here's the wild part, when an octopus swims, the main heart that pumps blood to its body completely stops beating. But wait, there's more. Unlike humans whose blood is red because of iron, octopus blood is blue because it uses copper to carry oxygen. This helps them survive in cold and deep waters where oxygen is scarce. Truly, octopuses are like aliens living right here on Earth.
Fact number 2, sea otters hold hands while they sleep. Now, here's a fact that will melt your heart. Sea otters, those adorable furry animals, actually hold hands while they sleep. Why? So they don't drift apart while floating in the ocean. Aww. This behavior is called rafting, and sometimes entire groups of otters will link paws together, forming a floating community. Imagine hundreds of otters just cuddling side by side on the water. Isn't that one of the cutest survival tactics ever? It shows that even in the wild, teamwork and connection make a big difference. Fact number 3, sharks are older than trees. Sharks are the ultimate survivors. They've been swimming in our oceans for over 400 million years, which makes them older than trees. That means sharks survived several mass extinctions, including the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. Their bodies are perfectly designed for survival, powerful senses, rows of regenerating teeth, and a skeleton made of cartilage instead of bone, making them both strong and flexible. When you think about it, every shark you see today is living proof of evolution's masterpiece, a predator so perfect, it barely had to change in hundreds of millions of years. Fact number 4, dogs can smell diseases. Now, let's talk about man's best friend, the dog. We all know dogs have incredible noses, but did you know their sense of smell is 10,000 to 100,000 times more powerful than ours? This superpower allows them to sniff out diseases like cancer, diabetes, and even predict epileptic seizures. Some trained medical dogs can alert their owners before a seizure happens, giving them precious time to prepare. There are even studies showing that dogs can detect COVID-19 just by smelling sweat samples. So aside from being loyal companions, dogs are also life-saving heroes with a nose that science still struggles to fully understand. Fact number 5, cows have best friends. Cows might seem simple, but they're actually very emotional creatures. Research shows that cows form deep bonds and have best friends. When separated from their favorite companion, cows become stressed, their heart rates rise, and they moo louder in distress. But when reunited, they instantly calm down, showing visible signs of happiness. Just like us, cows feel safer and more relaxed when they're with their closest friends. So the next time you see 2 cows grazing side by side, remember, you might be looking at best friends who just can't stand being apart. Fact number 6, cats can't taste sweetness. Here's something you probably didn't know about our feline friends. Did you know that unlike us humans, cats can't taste sweetness?
Wow!
Yup, while we humans crave chocolates, candies, and cakes, cats don't have the taste receptors for sugar. To them, a scoop of ice cream or a slice of cake just tastes like plain food with no special flavor. Scientists believe this is because cats are what we call obligate carnivores, their bodies are built to survive entirely on meat. Since sugar never played any role in their natural diet, evolution simply didn't give them the ability to enjoy sweets. But here's the interesting part, this also explains why cats are so different from dogs when it comes to food. Dogs will often gobble up cookies, donuts, or anything sweet because they can taste it. Cats, on the other hand, won't even bother. So, if your cat turns its nose up at your dessert, don't take it personally, they're not being picky. They just literally cannot taste it. In fact, giving sweets to cats isn't good for them at all. Their bodies aren't designed to process sugar, so sticking to a meat-based diet is the healthiest way to keep them happy. This just proves how unique cats really are, built for hunting, meat-loving, and completely indifferent to the world of sweetness. Wait! Before we continue this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends and family. We would appreciate your little acts. Thank you. And always remember, you are amazing in life as too. Remember to live responsibly. Now, going back to the video. Fact number 7, crows and ravens are genius problem solvers. Now let's talk about some of the most intelligent birds on the planet, crows and ravens. These birds belong to the corvid family, and scientists say they're as smart as a 7-year-old child. Yes, you heard that right. They can solve puzzles, use tools, and even recognize human faces. In some experiments, crows were given a challenge: drop stones into a container of water to raise the water level high enough to reach floating food. And guess what? They figured it out, just like the old fable of the thirsty crow. Ravens, on the other hand, have been observed planning ahead, hiding food in secret stashes, and even tricking other animals by pretending to hide food in one spot while really hiding it somewhere else. What's more, these birds can remember the faces of humans who treated them badly, and they can even warn other crows about dangerous people. So, the next time you see a crow staring at you, remember, they might actually be studying you. They're not just ordinary birds, they're feathered geniuses of the animal kingdom. Fact number 8, dolphins give each other names. Elephants aren't the only smart ones, dolphins are geniuses of the sea. These playful mammals actually give each other names in the form of unique whistle sounds. Every dolphin develops its own signature whistle that acts like a personal ID. Other dolphins use these whistles to call out to one another, even from far distances. Scientists believe this is proof of complex communication and even self-awareness. Imagine swimming in the ocean and calling out your friend by their unique whistle. It's basically the dolphin version of having a name tag. Fact number 9, penguins propose with pebbles. Penguins have one of the sweetest courtship rituals in the animal kingdom.
That's so romantic.
When a male penguin wants to win a female's heart, he searches for the smoothest, most perfect pebble he can find. He then offers it to her, almost like giving an engagement ring. If she accepts, they use that pebble to start building their nest together. It's a small gesture, but it symbolizes commitment and partnership. In a world where love can be complicated, penguins keep it simple. A pebble is enough to say, "Will you be mine forever?" Aww. Fact number 10, goats have accents. And finally, this animal is in farms. Goats, they are the comedians of the farm. Believe it or not, goats actually have accents. Depending on their environment and the group they grow up with, their bleats sound different. That means a goat in one part of the world could talk in a different way than a goat in another. Scientists discovered this while studying how young goats learn to communicate from their social groups. But beyond their funny voices, goats are intelligent, curious, and surprisingly good problem solvers. They can open latches, climb trees, and escape from enclosures. So don't underestimate a goat, they're full of surprises. And that's it, Ka-topters. Our top 10 amazing animal facts that prove just how incredible the animal kingdom really is. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Top It Up Rankings for more amazing facts every week. And of course, click that notification bell so you'll always stay updated. This is Top It Up Rankings, signing off. See you next time.